How to set up Fanatec DG Pro. Hi there, welcome back to the channel. In this video, you'll learn how to set up your Fanatec DG Pro quickly and easily, from unboxing to your first race. Let's get started. Step by step. Step 1. Hardware Assembly. Start by attaching the steering wheel to DG Pro base using the quick release. Next, plug the pedals into the base using the RJ12 cable. Mount everything to your rig or use the table clamp provided. Step 2. Power and USB connections. Connect the power supply to the base and plug into the wall. Then, connect the USB cable from the base to your PlayStation or PC. Step 3. Install drivers on PC. If you are on PC, download the Fanatec control panel from fanatec.com/downloads. Update the firmware for the base, wheel, and pedals if needed. Step 4. Select the platform mode. Press and hold the mode button to switch modes. Blue for PlayStation, purple for PC, and yellow for Xbox compatible wheels only. Step 5. Calibrate and tune. Turn the wheel left and right fully to calibrate. Use the turning menu to set force feedback, temper, and steering angle. A good starting point is 8 Nm force, 900 rotation, and 12% and 20% damper. Step 6. Game setup. Open your racing game, select the Fanatec wheel in control settings, bind the buttons, and calibrate inputs. You're now ready to race. And that's it. That was the quick tutorial on how to set up your Fanatec DG Pro. If you found the tutorial helpful, please don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel for more tips like this. Thanks for watching, see you in the next one.